welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a review on a brand new concealer that just hit the market not too long ago. I actually haven't seen a lot of people talk about this concealer, but here I am today. Yay! Today we're going to be talking about the Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage 24-Hour Wear Concealer by the brand NYX. They do have the foundation already. This was a fail. I have a review already up on my channel. Horrible. I feel like it's the most horrifying video I have ever done here on my channel. But anyways, today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts with you guys on this concealer, letting you guys know if it's drying, if it's cakey, if it's heavy, if it goes on smooth. I'm going to let you guys know the tea, the real tea, because you guys know that I'm just always honest AF. Anyways guys, with that said, if you're not yet a part of our T-Squad family, please subscribe down below in the description box, and don't forget to turn on that bell next to it so YouTube alerts you every time I upload a video, which is going to be 3 times a week, every single week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, so don't miss that out. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat and on Instagram, because when I'm not here, I'm most likely over there. That being said, guys, let's go ahead and get started into today's review. Alright guys, so I have my foundation done already. So now we're just going to jump into concealer. So for today's concealer, we're going to be reviewing the brand new Can't Stop, Won't Stop by NYX. This is a brand new concealer that just hit the market not too long ago, and I'm excited to share my thoughts with you guys on this one. Let me remove the packaging because I just got this yesterday. This is what the concealer looks like. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I did get mine in the shade Natural. Now, you guys know that they launched a foundation with the exact same name, so I'm guessing it's like from the line. The foundation was just not my cup of tea. I do plan on using it again in the summer when my skin gets really oily, but right now it just does not work for me. I do have a separate review. It's just a product that just was a total fail for me. So I'm excited to try the concealer. Hopefully the concealer is a little bit more hydrating than the foundation was. This is a 5-star rating concealer, which is crazy, you guys. It does retail for $8.49. Just basically says this is a creamy multitasker, also delivers full coverage with a matte finish for up to 24 hours of long wearing. So it doesn't really say much on the website, but it is supposed to be super long wearing, up to 24 hours, and it is supposed to dry to a matte finish. So we're just gonna jump into application and let's see what we think of it. So it comes with a pretty fat doe foot applicator, something very different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some underneath my eyes. Off of first bat, I will say that this is a super thick consistency. So I have to work one eye at a time because I do feel like it's going to dry super fast. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out with my sponge. I'm also going to drag it onto my eyelid because you guys know that I use this as an eyeshadow primer. Okay, it blended out really nicely, I'm not gonna lie. It is a thicker consistency, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this to this eye. Also, when you are applying this concealer, it does feel pretty drying. But something that I will say is that it blends out really effortlessly. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this out. I did wish that I gotten a shade lighter than this one, just because this one I feel like it kind of just blended into my foundation. It did brighten a tad bit though, but I feel like I would have wanted something a little bit more brightening. So something I am noticing on my eyelids as an eyeshadow primer, it does look a little bit heavy. It looks a little bit heavy on my forehead too, but that's something that I feel like setting spray can help, like a illuminating setting spray. Okay, so what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup, do a little bit of cream contour, and also set underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna come back and share my final thoughts with you guys, let you guys know if this worked out with powder or not, and just basically my overall thoughts, what I think. So far it blended out nicely, but like I said, it does dry super fast, and when you're applying it, it does apply a little bit more on the drier side, but then when you blend it out, it kind of blends out to a creamy finish, if that makes sense. Like it's a little bit more creamier when you're blending it out, rather when you apply it, it does feel a bit dry. So I don't know, I'm gonna go ahead and think about this one, do the rest of my face makeup, and then I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the rest of my face makeup. Now, back to the concealer. I will say, you guys, that this is a more mattifying formula. It's not matte, like comfortable matte like my Tarte Shape Tape or my Infallible Full Wear. It's definitely something super matte, like it's not gonna move, it's not gonna budge, and I feel like I committed the mistake to set it with a powder. After I set it with a powder, I feel like it looked a little bit too makeup-y on my skin, which I don't mind because, again, I'm wearing makeup and, you know, I don't care, but I do like it when my under eyes look a little bit more hydrated, you know what I mean? And I feel like with this concealer, it's better than the foundation. That I will say, it's not as drying as the foundation on my skin, but you can definitely tell that I put powder, and that's something that I don't like. But it is a super matte concealer, so I'm actually excited to continue to use this. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set my skin with this illuminating setting spray. So if you guys follow Taniaxo here on YouTube, she always raves about this setting spray, how it makes everything just look way better. So I haven't set my skin right now, so that's what I want to do. I want to go ahead and do something more illuminating on top and kind of see if it kind of removes the powderiness that's going on. So let's do that. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this because this does have like particles inside, which you do have to shake pretty well. I'm gonna put my hair super back and let's set the skin. Mister on this, super bad. You definitely have to, I ate that. You definitely have to set your face from far away, but I'm gonna go ahead and do one more. Oh, I hate the spritzer on this shit. Now let me see. Oh, I know this has nothing to do with pores. Like, this is not supposed to eliminate your pores at all whatsoever, but it does say it improves makeup wear. This just removed my pores. Like, I had some pore area right here picking up because of the concealer being a little too drying for my liking. And okay, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, sometimes I am like, why do I like products that are illuminating, products that are meant for dry skin, when my skin gets super oily throughout the day? Like, why am I like that? Why? I don't know. I feel like right now I'm digging it. Okay, I'm not gonna delete this off the video because I really want you guys to see how in the beginning I was like about it, but as soon as I applied this, it made everything look fucking bomb. Like, I'm just gonna be straight up honest with you guys. Okay, Catrice come through. This is a Catrice setting spray, and if you guys follow me, then you guys know that I am obsessed with the Catrice concealer. It's bomb. It's a bomb ass fucking concealer. But anyways, okay, back to the concealer. Now I'm liking it, and I'm not gonna edit that part where I applied this because I really want you guys to see everything. I want you guys to see how in the beginning it was a little bit too drying for my liking, and as soon as I applied this, everything, like, I don't know, it just sets like Anyways, guys, as always, I really hope you guys enjoyed my honest reviews on products. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share the video, like the video, subscribe if you want to become part of our T-Squad family. Don't forget to turn on that post notification bell so YouTube alerts you when I upload a video. Like I said, I am going to be trying to upload 3 times a week, every single week, Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. With that said, I will catch you guys very soon in next week's video. Bye.